Video 252, we got letterboxing. Check it out. Boom, 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 boom. And we got a nice little gradient. Let's go see how that's done. So in shader source fragment number 6, the first thing we want to do is figure out the local percentage coordinate. So right here, LPC local percent coord, we want to take the sample point on the X and Y and figure out where it is in terms of VP0. So here is the X-axis calculation, Y-axis calculation, packing it into a float vector 2. Then we're going to take that percentage coordinate and put it into the red and green channels of our output frag color. So red, green, blue, and alpha. Lastly, for the letterboxing, all we're going to do is discard the output frag color if we are outside of the bounds of VP0. And we're just going to give it an opaque black if we're out of bounds. Otherwise, we're going to keep the color we calculated previously. We need to declare what type of math we're using in shader source fragment number 6. And so right here, fragment shader mode percentage within this lookup table, array of fragment shader modes. And this lookup table is made in video 148, and we're inside of the art girl struct within the art girl section. So you can see the art girl data section and the art girl struct. Within that struct, we have this lookup table right here. We need to declare this because the math on the CPU side needs to match the math on the GPU side. So this is some of the CPU side math that needs to match, and a little tag reminding us about the shader source fragment 6 declaration. Same thing here with the Y coordinate on the screen mapped to the discrete units within the shader code. And then a little footnote here to remind us of what we're doing. And then here's what we did previously. Here's all of our footnotes. And then here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go to this video. We're out of time here. You're on this playlist. You can get the source code here, and you can email me here, and I gotta go. Like and subscribe.